In this video, I'm going to show you how to calibrate your extruder E-steps in about 2 minutes. First, let's disconnect that Bowden tube. Now, let's cut this filament flushed here with the end of the extruder so we can get an accurate measurement. After that, we are going to preheat the nozzle. The reason you want to do that is so you can move that extruder. Otherwise, it will complain about the nozzle not being hot enough. Then we will go to that extruder and move it about 100 millimeter or 10 centimeters. So not about actually exactly 100 millimeter. So here we're going to extrude 100 millimeter or the equivalent of 10 centimeters. We will measure that after. I am repeating this step about 2 to 3 times so I can average those three measurement just in case to account for any margin of error. So here I'm measuring those three and averaging them down. You can see my measurement is a little bit high. Here I'm going to adjust the E-steps according to a calculator that I will leave in the description. Also, there's a simple function if you want to do this manually. You can see that I was over extruding. So now I'm adjusting the E-steps according to the new value that I need to do here. After that, don't forget to store the settings for the new E-steps value that you just adjusted. So let's go ahead and store the settings. Then we will extrude again another 100 millimeter or like another 10 centimeters. Make sure you measure that to get hopefully this time exactly 10 centimeters.